welcome to my video. Let's learn some colors. We have some colors. Blue color, sky blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Light green. Light green. Orange, orange color. Violet color, violet color. Okay. We have 1 marker, 2 markers, 3 markers, 4 markers, 5 markers, and 6 markers. We have 6 markers. Let's start. Let's draw an ice cream. Can you draw ice cream? I love drawing ice cream. Try to draw with me, guys. It is so easy. I love ice cream. Okay, let's paint. Let's paint with orange. I think this is the orange flavor. We're gonna color this ice cream first with marker and then watercolor. Watercolor is for the ice cream cone. Okay. Let's paint with pink. This is the strawberry flavor. I love strawberry ice cream. What is your favorite flavor? My favorite one is chocolate ice cream. Okay, let's paint with blue, sky blue color. It can be the blueberry flavor. Do you like blueberry? Come on, guys, try to draw with me. Okay. Now we have the ice cream cone. Okay, let's paint. Let's paint with red. I love red. And then let's paint the ice cream cone. Ice cream cone with watercolor. With light brown. I love coloring. Coloring and painting make me feel happy. Wow, I love it. It is so cute. Okay, guys. We are done now and I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel.